All right, I got a very exciting package in the mail today. This is the new soft top for the 93 Miata that we're working on. This soft top is in the factory style. I went to turn around to show you the existing soft top, but it's over here. All right, so my intention was to have this top already off before that top arrived, but that arrived 2 days early. That's a good thing, but I do feel a little bit out of place here because I was hoping to just be able to install it right away. I'm glad I don't have to wait any longer for it, but we do have some more work in order to get this top off. It's really not too bad, but step one, well, it's really like step 3 or 4, but we're a few steps ahead on getting this off. But I'm going to be drilling out the rivets that are holding this in place. I do still have this rail in the front that I need to pull the screws out of, and a few other things here and there that are holding this in place. Then I will take the frame and I'll be moving that into here because it'll be nice and easy to work inside in the air conditioning. And more importantly, I can't do that for that one, or I'm choosing not to bring this one into the house just because it's a little bit dirty. The new one is nice and clean, so I don't feel bad about dirtying up this room just a little bit. Alright, hopefully I do a good job here. It's been a while since I've drilled out these rivets, so let's see what happens. I don't know. Oh, there you go. I'm put it in reverse. Just pushing it right through. There you go. All right. This can pull off of there, I believe. Maybe. There we go. Not too worried about tearing it a little, because that's the one we don't want anymore. And then, so I believe the next step will be pulling the cable out of here. Let me see where the actual cable is. Alright, never mind. I was looking in the wrong place for this. I mean, it does feed through there, but the easiest way to see is here at the end there's this spring that goes along with this cable. And what that does is that keeps the sides of the top taut horizontally across the car. All right, here's a pro tip. All this tissue paper that you get with a soft top, great for Christmas time. All right, I just undid the cables here and I pulled them through. Actually, I made it a little easier for myself. All of this stuff is so brittle that I was actually able to tear that right apart. But yeah, so we're pretty much ready to pull this soft top off the frame here. Just grab the corners, make sure they've gone over, and you can see like that just broke in my fingers. It's not supposed to do that. New one won't do that. Look at that. Man. And that was all that was keeping the car from the elements, so sad. But see, that came off there. This glue's not too good, but this all comes right off. Not really supposed to do that, but you know what? I'll take it. That was spicy. Got a little rug burn there. If yours is a little newer than this, it's supposed to slide out the end, but I'm just happy it's coming off. But let's see here. all that through. And this should be the last bit. Aha! There you go. Goodbye. Take this right to the dumpster. Probably look crazy walking out here with my helmet on for no reason. I don't respect this thing as much as I probably should, because it did a lot to keep the rain out over the years, but it is long past gone. Goodbye. I'm done with it. All right, clean slate. That's what I like. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, put it right on top of that, so we're ready to start. Oh. There you go. All right. Ready for installation. All right, so ready to start installing this new top on here. But I wanted to start by saying there are a couple of things that I really appreciate with this. First of all, they include this string that goes through the area that we'll be pulling this cable through. That's really convenient because otherwise it'd be really difficult to fish that through there. So I appreciate that. In addition to that, obviously this material is much more pliable than the old crumbling one. And we do have the OEM style plastic rear window, and you can see the shape of it is similar to the shape that you get from factory with the kind of three-piece look. I don't know why I've been picky about that, but I really like the way it looks from factory. So I'm glad that this particular top is able to replicate that. This is also the exact same top from the same brand that I bought my other one from. So it should work the exact same way, and I'm very happy with the one that I have. So that's a good thing. I pulled the cables through. They come through here and up back into here. I'm going to start riveting this in a few places. I'm actually going to pull this screw back out a little bit. I was a little bit too zealous here and start with this, but we need this to be able to stretch up just a little more before we screw that in real tight. This is the rivet gun. When you pump this handle, it squishes this by pulling this piece through here. So it pulls on this and then squishes that down on, and then this pops off. So what we're going to do here is we're going to put this through here, try to stretch this up all the way to there, and then start pumping that handle so you see it gets close, and then kind of have to feel it go like that. Insert it on a little harder, and then make sure it's going in. And you see this pops out, and you're left with this in the hole. So we got these two here, two on the back side, same on that side. I will say using this tool is absolutely riveting. Alright, there isn't too much more to installing this top. I did the weather stripping here, although that'll definitely need adjusted once the top is on the car to make sure that the water isn't leaking. But the only other part for actually installing this top on the rail or on this frame is taking these, and a little water was actually trapped in the one piece of weather stripping, so that's what this is. But these wrap around here and they slide through here. Easier said than done. I remember having a little bit of a hard time with that when I installed this top on my 91, but it'll be fine. We'll get it done. All right, just a quick update here. We have the top on the car, obviously not bolted in the back yet, and then I'm gonna have to work on putting everything back together on the inside. But top is on the frame and in the car, so huge progress. All right, I believe that's a good stopping point for day 6. Before I finish up with this rear part of the new soft top, I'm going to clean it up because as I was installing it on the frame, I did just get some dirt and things on it from the floor that it was sitting on. I'll be excited for day 7 to finally fully finish with the new soft top, which will allow me to then put all these carpets and things back in the car and kind of take another look, see how much needs cleaned again, and see what else I can start working on.